Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products for your home. Today, we are featuring the TURS brushed gold 5-piece bathroom hardware set, which we believe is the best gold bathroom towel holder you can find. This set is an excellent choice if you're looking to add a touch of elegance to your bathroom. This set includes a 23.6-inch towel bar, a towel ring, a toilet paper holder, and 2 robe hooks, providing you with everything you need to upgrade your bathroom's look. Crafted from high-quality SUS 304 stainless steel, this hardware set ensures long-lasting durability. With a rust-resistant and corrosion-free finish that will keep your bathroom looking pristine for years. The brushed gold finish gives the set a sleek, modern look that complements a wide variety of bathroom styles. Whether you're working with a traditional or contemporary design, this set will seamlessly blend in, adding an extra layer of sophistication to your space. The golden hue even changes under different lighting, offering a subtle yet stunning visual effect, depending on the time of day or where you install the hardware. One of the standout features of this set is the practicality of the design. The towel bar is 23.6 inches long, which is just the right size for hanging your towels, and it's easy to install, making it a perfect DIY project for any home. The towel ring and toilet paper holder are designed with both style and function in mind, keeping your bathroom essentials accessible and organized. The 2 included robe hooks are perfect for hanging bathrobes or towels, but you can also use them for kitchen utensils, ensuring they serve you in multiple areas of your home. This versatility makes the set ideal not just for the bathroom but also for the kitchen, laundry room, or even the living room. With its modern design and practical function, this set brings high performance at an affordable price. TURS has focused on creating a set that not only looks luxurious but is also built to last. The combination of durability and aesthetics makes it a standout product in bathroom accessories. So, if you're ready to elevate your bathroom's design with a touch of modern elegance, the TURS brushed gold 5-piece bathroom hardware set is the perfect choice. It's easy to install, built to last, and its timeless design will impress anyone who walks into your bathroom. Be sure to check out the link in the description to purchase your set today. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more reviews here at Product Critique.